Welcome to the ROMBUXLAND Podcast. I'm Zara. As always, here to brighten your day with some awesome talks. And this is episode 32. Today we're going to talk about business intelligence implementation, a crucial aspect of any business that enables organizations to make informed decisions that drive growth and profitability. Business intelligence, or BI, is a set of processes, tools, and technologies designed to transform data into actionable insights. It involves collecting data from various sources, analyzing it, and presenting it in a way that's easy to understand and use. The goal of BI is to help businesses make better decisions, faster and more accurately. It's like having a crystal ball that allows you to see what's happening in your business right now and predict what's going to happen in the future. Now, let's talk about the implementation phase of BI implementation. This is where the rubber meets the road and the BI system is put into action. There are several key steps involved in implementing a BI system. First, you need to define your business requirements and goals. What do you want to achieve with your BI system? What metrics do you want to track? And what insights do you want to gain? This is the foundation of your BI system, and it's essential to get it right. You need to understand your business needs and what you want to achieve with your BI system. This will help you make informed decisions and ensure that your BI system is aligned with your business goals. Once you have a clear understanding of your business requirements, you can start selecting the right tools and technologies for your BI system. This might include data warehouses, data visualization tools, and reporting software. It's crucial to choose the right tools that fit your business needs and can grow with your organization. You need to consider factors such as scalability, flexibility, and ease of use when selecting the right tools for your BI system. Next, you need to design and build your BI system. This involves creating data models and ETL processes to extract, transform, and load data into your data warehouse. It also involves setting up data visualization tools and creating reports that provide actionable insights. This is where the magic happens, and your BI system starts to deliver real value to your business. After the BI system is built, it's time to test and deploy it. This involves verifying that the system is working as expected and making any necessary adjustments. Once the system is deployed, you need to train users on how to use it and provide ongoing support and maintenance. This is critical to the success of your BI system, as users need to be comfortable using the system to get the most out of it. Now, let's talk about some real-life examples of BI implementation. Let's take the case of a retail company that wanted to improve its inventory management process. The company used a BI system to analyze sales data, inventory levels, and supply chain metrics. The system provided insights into which products were selling the fastest and which were not moving as well. This allowed the company to optimize its inventory levels and reduce waste. The BI system also provided insights into customer behavior and preferences, such as which products were most popular among different demographics and which channels were most effective for reaching customers. The company was able to use this information to make data-driven decisions about inventory levels, pricing, and marketing campaigns. Another example is a healthcare organization that used a BI system to improve patient outcomes. The system analyzed data on patient demographics, diagnoses, treatments, and outcomes. The system provided insights into which treatments were most effective for different conditions and which patients were at highest risk for complications. This allowed the organization to optimize its treatment protocols and reduce readmissions. The BI system also provided insights into patient behavior and preferences, such as which channels were most effective for reaching patients and which messages were most effective for influencing behavior. The organization was able to use this information to make data-driven decisions about treatment protocols, patient engagement, and population health management. We also have the case of a financial services company that used a BI system to improve risk management. The system analyzed data on customer creditworthiness, loan performance, and market trends. The system provided insights into which customers were at highest risk for default and which loans were most likely to perform well. This allowed the company to optimize its lending practices and reduce risk. The BI system also provided insights into market trends and customer behavior, such as which products were most popular and which channels were most effective for reaching customers. The company was able to use this information to make data-driven decisions about lending practices, risk management, and product development. Now let's talk about some best practices for implementing a BI system. First and foremost, you need to have a clear understanding of your business requirements and goals. You also need to have a solid plan in place for selecting the right tools and technologies for your BI system. This might involve conducting a thorough analysis of your business needs and comparing different solutions. Once you have your BI system in place, you need to provide ongoing training and support to users. This might involve creating user manuals and documentation, as well as providing regular training sessions. You also need to have a plan in place for maintaining and updating your BI system. This might involve scheduling regular maintenance tasks and staying up to date with the latest tools and technologies. One of the key challenges in implementing a BI system is getting user buy-in. Users need to understand the value of the BI system and how it can help them make better decisions. One way to do this is to involve users in the implementation process and get their feedback on the system. In terms of future predictions and trends, we can expect to see even more advanced analytics and artificial intelligence-powered BI systems in the future. We'll also see increased adoption of cloud-based BI solutions and a greater emphasis on data storytelling and visualization. Now let's take a look at two detailed case studies with specific results. The first case study is from a retail company that implemented a BI system to improve its inventory management process. The company was able to reduce inventory waste by 25% and improve its sales forecast accuracy by 30%. They were also able to increase customer satisfaction by 20% through more personalized marketing campaigns. The second case study is from a healthcare organization that implemented a BI system to improve patient outcomes. The organization was able to reduce readmissions by 15% and improve patient satisfaction by 25%. They were also able to reduce treatment costs by 10% through more targeted treatments. Here's a step-by-step implementation guide that you can follow. But here's what's interesting. Step 1. Define your business requirements and goals. Step 2. Select the right tools and technologies for your BI system. Step 3. Design and build your BI system. Step 4. Test and deploy your BI system. Step 5. Provide ongoing training and support to users. Step 6. Maintain and update your BI system. Step 7. Encourage a culture of data-driven decision-making. Here are some expert quotes and industry insights. So here's the thing. I believe that BI is a game changer for businesses. It provides a 360-degree view of the organization and enables data-driven decision-making. John Smith, CIO of XYZ Corporation. Now consider this. The key to successful BI implementation is getting user buy-in. You need to involve users in the implementation process and get their feedback on the system. Jane Doe, BI consultant. Now consider this. Data quality is critical to the success of any BI system. You need to have a robust data governance program in place to ensure data accuracy and completeness. Bob Johnson, data scientist. So here's the thing. Data visualization tools such as Tableau and Power BI, reporting software such as Crystal Reports, and SSRS. Data warehouses, such as Amazon Redshift and Microsoft Azure Synapse. ETL tools, such as Informatica and Talend. Data governance tools, such as Collabra and Elation. Now consider this. In terms of future predictions and trends, we can expect to see. Now consider this. Increased adoption of cloud-based BI solutions. Greater emphasis on data storytelling and visualization. More advanced analytics and artificial intelligence-powered BI systems. Increased use of machine learning and predictive analytics. Greater focus on data governance and quality. Now let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid when implementing a BI system. One of the biggest mistakes is not involving users in the implementation process. This can lead to a lack of buy-in and a failure to adopt the BI system. Another mistake is not having a robust data governance program in place. This can lead to poor data quality and inaccurate insights. You need to have a plan in place to ensure data accuracy and completeness. Finally, you need to avoid trying to do too much too soon. BI implementation is a complex process, and you need to take it one step at a time. Start with a small pilot project and gradually scale up to larger implementations. To wrap up, business intelligence implementation is a crucial aspect of any business. It enables organizations to make informed decisions that drive growth and profitability. By following the key steps involved in implementing a BI system and adopting a culture of data-driven decision-making, you can unlock the full potential of your BI system and drive business success. In terms of specific metrics, a successful BI implementation can lead to, so here's the thing, improved decision-making accuracy by 20 to 30%, increased revenue by 10 to 20%, reduced costs by 5 to 15%, improved customer satisfaction by 10 to 20%, increased operational efficiency by 10 to 20%. Now consider this. The key to achieving these metrics is to have a clear understanding of your business requirements and goals, a solid plan in place for implementing a BI system, a culture of data-driven decision-making within your organization. Additionally, there are several consulting firms and service providers that specialize in BI implementation. These firms can provide you with expert guidance and support as you implement a BI system. Finally, there are several communities and forums online where you can connect with other businesses and professionals who are implementing BI systems. These communities can provide you with valuable insights and advice as you navigate the implementation process. One of the communities I want to highlight is the Business Intelligence Forum on LinkedIn. This community has over 100,000 members and is a great place to connect with other businesses and professionals who are implementing BI systems. Another community I want to highlight is the Data Science subreddit. This community has over 1 million members and is a great place to connect with other data scientists and professionals who are working with BI systems. In terms of future predictions and trends, we can expect to see even more advanced analytics and artificial intelligence-powered BI systems in the future. We'll also see increased adoption of cloud-based BI solutions and a greater emphasis on data storytelling and visualization. Now let's take a look at some of the skills you'll need to implement a BI system. Some of the key skills include, so here's the thing, data analysis and modeling, data visualization and reporting, ETL and data warehousing, data governance and quality, business acumen and decision-making. So here's the thing. To develop these skills, you can take online courses or training programs, attend industry conferences and events, read books and articles on the subject. To wrap up, business intelligence implementation is a crucial aspect of any business. It enables organizations to make informed decisions that drive growth and profitability. By following the key steps involved in implementing a BI system and adopting a culture of data-driven decision-making, you can unlock the full potential of your BI system and drive business success. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of the ROMBUXLAND podcast. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Until next time, stay data-driven and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast for more episodes on business intelligence, data analytics, and more. And if you like this episode, please share it with your friends and colleagues who might benefit from it. We'll be back with another exciting episode of the ROMBUXLAND podcast soon. Stay tuned.